Swipe is a stage where organizations can make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges universally. Clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistency, and organization financial aspects. Swipe tokens associate with significant installments frameworks all around the world and assist organizations with switching their cryptographic money over completely to stablecoins or fiat-subsidized cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the Expert Card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on Finance Brilliant Chain and Ethereum. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarondo in 2018 with a plan to make crypto interoperability with conventional money, and it was subsequently procured by Binance in 2020. Swipe has basically three parts, right off the bat: the fundamental organization which creates charge cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so on. Also, Binance, the fundamental partners cooperated to bring advancements. Swipe environment, which incorporates decentralized application, local area, and in conclusion its clients. Interesting elements of Swipe: SXP, coin. The SXP token is the local digital currency of the Swipe. It controls a SXP environment and oversees the decentralized convention. According to the Swipe token Financial Matters, the complete circling supply diminishes when the organization is more used. Swipe wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, SXP, making recommendations and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay north of 60 million shippers overall and used to take part in liquidity mining programs. Market opinions and cost of Swipe coin. The ongoing cost at which Swipe, SXP, exchanging the market is around $1.27. With an exchanging volume of $112,514,804. It has a market cap of around $249,375,781, a completely weakened market capitalization of $308,057,039, and a most extreme stockpile of 239,612,084 SXP. The greatest cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was $0.161, which was a long time back. Specialized examination shows that Swipe cost today is exchanging negatively. In any case, after the negative sign development, the sideways exchanging go on for the following couple of days. After the bullish pattern of SXP exchanges from July to September, the Swipe value skips and hits $4.665 on August 23. September 7 is the dull day of the crypto market. The whole digital money market has plunged, breaking every one of the expectations. Swipe financial backers go to sell Swipe mode and benefit booking. The cost of Swipe, SXP, has tumbled from $3.925 to $2.134. SXP cost proceeded with a sideways pattern without making new levels. The ongoing cost of Swipe, SXP, coin is around $1.27. The following quick opposition level is $1.80. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an obstruction level of $2.35. The significant obstruction obstacle for the year is $3.52. Transient specialized examination shows that Swipe cryptographic money needs to break the $1.80 obstruction level to arrive at the Swipe cost in the $2.03 territory. According to examination, $3.52 is going about as a significant obstruction level to enlist another high of Swipe, SXP. Yet it may not occur in that frame of minutes since many factors generally impact crypto coins and the crypto economy. Market feelings on Swipe cost are unbiased, and a similar will go on for the week. Prompt help is put at $2.3141, and significant help levels are 62 cents and 15 cents. Breaking the $1 support zone can make an unexpected fall in Swipe, SXP. At this point, specialized investigation isn't showing a separate beneath the significant help zone, and a transcend opposition levels can take swipe, SXP, into a higher worth zone. Demonstrates that the token is an amazing long-haul venture decision. In view of the examination, the cost might arrive at a greatest degree of $6.151 by 2027. In the event that dealers put resources into the coin today for quite a long time, they might procure a benefit of around plus 396.05%. The swipe token won't be a productive resource for the present moment. As per the previous value developments and information, the most extreme cost level for 2022 can be around $2.18 with a base cost and the typical cost of $1.83 and $1.89. Swipe value expectation 2022. The SXP conjecture for 2022 recommends that the cost could be around $1.63 initially. The typical cost range perhaps around $2.75. The most extreme cost for the year-end is estimated to be around $2.25. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment radically in the year 2022 according to the figure. In this way, the swipe digital currency market isn't giving an unexpected lucrative sign for those wanting to contribute for 2022 as it were. Swipe, SXP, Value Forecast 2023. SXP cost forecast shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a greatest scope of $3 to $4 with a typical cost of $3.53. According to the figure, the SXP cost is great for the year. In the event that the cryptographic money market is bullish, swipe can break the greatest cost around the same time. Swipe value expectation 2024. Our conjecture shows that swipe will break the $5.567 obstruction level and make an unsurpassed high. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around $6.436. Numerous dealers might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated manner, and our SXP token estimates show that the cost will not go underneath $5, which will be the most reduced cost of the coin in 2024. SXP value figure 2025. 5 years down the line, huge turns of events and acknowledgement of swipe are supposed to occur. The coin will make an enormous spike and it will prompt an expansion in SXP cost. Our conjectures show that it will cross the $7 mark toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul financial backers might search for a decent chance for a long-haul venture. SXP value forecast 2026. Specialized arrangement shows the cost of SXP could go to a bull run in the close to time. Swipe coin is supposed to exchange at a degree of